Hello, welcome back to the Princess Ling channel. I'm gonna keep saying that till you know who I am. Today I'm reviewing this Konjac sponge infused with red clay, and it's supposed to exfoliate your skin and of course cleanse it. But basically it's like a little sponge, if you can see me squishing it there. The instructions say you gotta thoroughly rinse this out before use. And you can use it on your face or your body. For right now, I'm gonna use it on my face. And it says after you're done, lay it flat or hang it dry. And basically you can use it for 2 months. I forgot to say the brand before I opened it and everything. It's Evriholder. You see that? Evriholder. It wasn't like blatant like the rest of the products that I show, because usually it's like down here, but they got the pretty little flowers happening. Sponge is now wet and thoroughly rinsed out. Said not to wring it, so I didn't do that. It's got the cute little string, as you can see. So it says on the back also that I can use it with or without cleanser, implying that it just needs to be wet. Very interesting. Here's a close-up of my skin now. You can see it. It's never like terrible. Like sometimes I have little bumps like there. This is how it looks. It's not like hard or anything. It smells not chemically. It sort of reminds me of the sea, if that makes sense. Like it smells like if you go to a beach or something. Smells sort of like that. Here's my skin afterwards. I mean, obviously it's not going to be much of a difference seeing as I did not use a cleanser or anything. Honestly, my skin does feel like way better. And I haven't, I didn't put anything on my face before this. I didn't wash it before this. I literally came from work not too long ago. So I hadn't washed my face or anything yet. I'm gonna put this in my shower next to my other little scrubby dubby thing, and all it needs to do is just hang and dry, and I just wet it every time. 이 비디오를 끝났어요. 다음 비디오에 만날 수 있어요. 구독하고 좋아해 누르세요. 안녕히 계세요. Subscribe.